Hi. So today I got this cover made for the steering wheel, but I needed something for the horn button, so I made up this wire with this spring on it, and then I made this clamp thing out of Delrin right here for around here, like that. So I did the same thing down here to stabilize the bottom of this tube down there. See, so it doesn't shift around down there after I push it on. But this horn thing goes on there like that to hold my horn button. So I made up these two pieces, so they'll go on there and pinch around the thing. I'll get this on here real quick. So see how those pinch together? And what we're going to do is get it set on there like that. And we're going to take this wire and run it down there. We'll pull that wire down there with the spring. I'll show you that. So it goes in there, and then this is springy on its own, so it can touch this back ring on here, so we can make connection for the horn to work. So I'll get this on here, I'll be back. So here's what we got. We got this clamped on here, and that thing's a little plungery with that little spring in there. Yeah, spring in there. Oh, the spring's down in there. But anyway, there it is. Okay, so we're going to take this cord, and I drilled a hole in that piece, that clamped on one, right there. So we get this all done in there. There we go. Alright, so now this is all inside there. That's clamped tight, that's clamped tight. I like it. Stick this on there. I think this is the right way. Yeah. Okay, so now we have that in there. See how that is in there? There's a little plunger. Take this, stick it on there. There we go. Got a little gap between there and there is what we want. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple holes to screw this housing to that piece of Delrin inside. But what we want to try is, because it's electric power steering, I'm hoping I could ground through this so my horn will work. So I'm going to rig up my horn and put my steering wheel on, and we'll see if this all works. Alright, so we got it in there, and we got the wire from the steering wheel over to one side of this horn. Then we got that wire going to the positive side of the battery. Then we got the battery grounded to the steering column. So now when we press this button, works. It went off a lot when I was putting it together. So now no matter where we turn this thing, we should have a horn. Shouldn't matter. And it doesn't. Alright. So we like. Alright, so, oh, there's that steering column. Turned out pretty good. And all I gotta do is get a set screw in there into that piece of Delrin. Maybe I'll put two in there. This will hold this steering column down where we want it. And it doesn't look too bad. Here, let's look at it from the other side. It being white really made it look bad. But here we go. It doesn't look too bad in there. Looks just like a steering column. I mean, if you didn't watch me make it, you might not even know that was just a piece of 3-inch pipe. All right, but there it is. All in there. Thanks for watching the video.